Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another Woodpeckers tool here to talk about today, and this is another one of their one-time tools. There's not a lot of videos outside of videos produced by woodpeckers that I've found on YouTube about their little one-time tool things. I do buy quite a few of them, as long as they look like something that will help me do something better. Not everything in that category does that, but this is one of them that's just kind of a handy deal, mainly because it's really small. I can throw it in my pouch, I can throw it anywhere and just use it. Alright, this is the pocket compass set. Now, a lot of us have probably been using ones like this for a long time, and there is nothing really wrong with this. This is just a really cheap Bostitch, Stanley Bostitch, I guess. Got a little drive pin right here that you can slide up and down the 12-inch shaft, and a piece of a pencil clamped in one end. And you just use that to make your circles, whatever size it is. There's no measurements on this, there's no markings. You have no idea, short of measuring manually to set this and then marking. And this works fine, but it has its limitations like that. Anyway, that's what I used for a very long time. And then Woodpeckers released this little bitty kit. The Woodpecker one-time compact compass. Okay, made in the US. Get their little warranty card out of there. Anyway, they send you this in the kit. Right there. So, this one actually, in kind of a twist for woodpeckers, is marked both in imperial and metric, which is really nice. You don't have to buy two sets. Everything Woodpeckers does, it seems like you got to buy whichever one you want, whether it's US or metric. And a lot of my Festools and all these German tools that I buy are metric, and I really like it if I can use it together without a calculator. Anyway, they give you a little Woodpeckers mechanical pencil, and the reason that's in here is that you can use it with this. It also works with any mechanical pencil. But here's the little tiny one. Little tiny. Total length on that is not much. Let's see. Flip our little fast cap tape out here. Looks like about 3 3 3/8 inches long is all that is. But it's marked right here on the front, metric and imperial. And all you've got to do, pivot pin is stored right here in the end. You unscrew that, there's your little pin, and it fits right here. And all it does, it's just a very, very snug fit, just perfectly machined. Woodpeckers is really amazing on that. Prices can be a little tough, but the machining is amazing. Inside here, this is a fixed deal, so you won't lose that part, but it has almost a little bit of a cam action. It screws down in, then comes up to tighten. So you slide this together. If you're all the way loose, you can just adjust this. It has a line out both sides, metric and imperial side. So if you wanted to make a 2-inch circle, you just set it right on 2 inches. You have your pin, you're set there. And now all you'd have to do, 2-inch would be right there. Your pencil set with your lead out enough to mark all the way through. And we're going around. Well, if I can get her. There we go. And there it is. You can see that. That would be a 2-inch diameter circle. And we can verify that with a tape, and we are, well, I don't know if you can see that, but we are 2 inches, just right there. Same with both of those. Don't need to go on a long period of time about it, but this one, the small one that's in the kit there, will go out to 4.5-inch circle at full extension. Then there is a larger one in the kit as well, and it goes quite a bit farther. Oh, how about that? They actually have a little instruction on how to use the pencil. Right here, this one will slide all the way out to, looks like realistically, to lock it in properly, you're going to be at about 11 inches, but as it proceeds out from there, all these points you can use, add +2 inches, +3, +4, and it also has your metric of +101.6, +127 right on out on it as well. And they have more erasers for your pencil in here and more leads. They've got everything you need stored right in this little kit. Anyway, I know a lot of people think they're overpriced, but if you want a tool that just works, this just works. And they're very rarely very fiddly to work with. A few of their things have a lot of pieces and things, but this is not one of those things. It's just a few little pieces, nice little compass set, and if you don't want the box, just get rid of it. But you can get both compasses and the pencil in one hand and just use them. They're great. I normally don't carry them in the box. I'll toss whichever one I'm going to want for today. Really handy for little bitty stuff, especially if you're getting up to a size like cutting a toilet flange in the floor, and you can find center very easily for that, and then just spin your compass, run your jigsaw, done. Anyway, that's that tool, and I have a small addiction to their tools. But thank you all for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. We'll try to get some more videos out on tools that we love, and some maybe that we don't. But those woodpeckers are one of my favorites. But catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.